How to fix Instagram opening problem on your Instagram account. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First you will just open the settings of your phone. Then you will go to apps, and on apps you will find all the apps that you have in your phone. You will look for Instagram. As you see, open Instagram. Then you will go to storage, and you will go to the bottom of the screen and click on clear data and click OK. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like, also to subscribe in our channel, and see you in another videos.